Hi, welcome back to Shed Tune and Shed Tune HQ.
Where nothing is happening.
Where it's a slow build on the cut down. Part 5, I think this is.
Feels like 550.
And we're going to get some wheels on it today. Right, as you can see, Dom's offering up a tank of some description.
Some description. I don't know if I like it though.
Well, let's get some wheels on it, and then we can have a look.
Throw an engine and some forks on it.
Yep. Right. Yeah. Here's Dom struggling with an engine. Look at that muscle.
Not that one.
No. Right. So we're going to just put any old engine in it at the moment, just to get an idea of what it's going to look like. And it's really simple.
Really simple.
Yeah, well, that's very true. Probably like the owner. We'll give a trade secret away if you do it that way.
I don't know.
Ooh. Oh yeah, good eye. No. There you go, look, engine in frame, shock on frame and engine.
Shock on frame and engine.
We've got to put some sort of forks in. The GP one hasn't got any links in it yet, so we're going to just put an old set of LI ones in for the time being, just to let it sit somehow. You got to put the top cap in as well.
Yeah, I'm just thinking, what did I do with it?
No idea.
No idea.
And then once we've got it into some sort of semblance, we'll show you some ideas. There you go. And as if by magic, we now have a top cup, which we will adjust and get the right one in there eventually.
Yeah, I don't know if this will go together actually.
Oh really?
Because it's a bit long. Isn't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, but it's only just to. Oh, I see what you mean. What's the old steering stop hitting it? Yeah. Oh well, don't bother putting it in then.
That's fine.
It's only just to give us an idea when it stood up. Because it looks like a laying down scooter now.
Yeah. Barn find.
Yeah, barn find.
To me. That's it.
Just like the shit inside this thing.
I think it's seized.
Huh?
I said, I think it's seized. Oh no.
It's just in gear.
watch that fall off now.
Hey.
So watch that fall off now. Ta-da! This will give us some idea of where we're at with it. Just getting them leg shields in some sort of order.
Not sure it's going to stay in it, but
So that's what, a 3/4 length long range tank? 3/4 length.
3/4 length.
What do you lot think on the tank? We're unsure.
I ain't going to go there. It won't fit. I think it's series 3
Okay.
already, Robin, but it's there.
Not too bad.
Where should we go?
What's next? I thought he was going to do the other one.
Try both.
Go on then. Try this one.
Not enough holes there to.
Looks quite fast like that, doesn't it?
Get in there.
Okay, let's try the other one. Anyone want to buy a seat? One cable owner. See, if we use that, I mean, I think we need to use that. You're going to have to cut it about though to get it to fit properly.
Or
What does everyone else think?
I make a
That
metal
one. Yeah, okay. It's a bit too tall for Dom.
Yeah. Otherwise I will need the hospital bed.
Oh, come on, get that little leg over.
I can.
Vroom, vroom. Let's look at his little face, eh? He's well happy.
Not when you make a voice like that, I'm not, no.
And his little legs fit. Such a belly.
It's actually quite comfortable.
So we're just having a conversation about this seat. And whilst we do have a fiberglass one, obviously it doesn't quite fit the frame very well. And Dom thinks he can make a metal version that will fit exactly. So it'll be the same as that, a bit wider, and it'll fit in.
But then rather than it sitting down at the back,
Yeah, it'll go a bit straighter,
sit it like that
and it'll fit the frame better. What do you lot think?
and then make them sides to come down into there.
Yeah, comment below. I think Dom should make one and be a bit quick about it as well.
Because I've got nothing else to do.
Well, you do all the work, mate. I do all the watching. Jesus Christ. Or do you prefer that sort of seat? But then
But then that's like every other cut down. It's
That
not
is-
an 80s cut down, and it's not.
that is true.
If we're going to do that, I'll go Snetterton.
No, go with that one. Or a version of it.
Yeah. Should we use the GP forks?
Yeah. So we're going to use the GP forks, as Dom says.
I've got either some MB disc links,
Yeah.
and we can just go conventional, or
Or
could use that swear word schematic.
no, go Schemati. Outboard shocks.
Yeah.
Wow, they're chunky, aren't they?
Yeah. Chop these off,
Yeah.
weld some new ones on.
There you go, that's your next job then.
Go outboards.
We go outboards on the front, which is
We
a bit...
do outboards.
Might as well. I do like that. Look at that. That saves having anti-dive and all that sort of stuff on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we go down that route?
Yes, that's your next job for the next video then, just to make those all work. Right, while you're stood there, Dom, we've had some stuff sent in. In fact, it's come all the way from America, but they are going on the sticker board. Cheers, Kev. And that's another Kev that sent stuff from America. Might as well open it, see what's in it.
Oh, it's double packed.
Double packed. Oh.
Consequence of pass a parcel. Oh. BGM catalogue.
Very nice. Good of them to send that, isn't it?
Yeah. Wish we would have opened this earlier. I wouldn't have bothered.
No, now's not the time to be reading it, thank you very much.
Yeah, that looks... Take that. Cheers, Kev. I'd rather be racing scooters. Oh. Suppose I better open it, haven't
Stickers and
I?
t-shirts.
Sticker.
ASRA.
ASRA, American Series Racing... Sorry, American Scooter Racing Association.
Very nice. That's
Cool.
superb.
Oh, he hasn't sent you any. He's
Ah,
only sent 2 for me.
that's really nice of him to send them in.
That's actually top man.
Same again.
So again,
I like the design on the back.
so do I actually.
It's very good. Not that I can see it through your arm, but
Can't you?
no.
Speed divided wheel diameter equals the size of your balls.
Right, cheers, Kev.
It's even got your name on it.
Is it?
Yeah, look. Bell end.
He's here all week, unfortunately.
Cheers, Kev.
Here you go, look.
Cheers, Kev.
Couple of stickers. Don't forget, send them stickers in. Next item to do, as we mentioned earlier, is build the forks up, fit them. So then, after that, we're gonna, I think, do the handlebar mock-up. Then Dom's gonna make a seat, I think. Then he'll be riding it. Oh no, he won't be. Because I've got to build an engine, so if you probably watched the last video, we're going to build an RB250 tuned motor to go in it, just so that it doesn't hang around.
Should be fun.
I think adrenaline will be brown.
No, it'd be fine because the weight that's lost, I've got.
Right, I think that's going to be it for this video. Thanks very, very much for watching. And if you want to support the channel, don't forget, press that like button and that subscribe button. Would be much, much appreciated.
Even if you don't like it.
Well, even if you don't like it, yeah. What else? I'm going to continue sorting out the RB engine for this. Dom's going to sort out the forks for this. And I think that's it. So it's bye from me.
And it's goodbye from him.
That's right. See you later.
That's all, folks.